The floor started out with paper and marker to create where I wanted the bead rolls to line up and to note where the actual frame and cross member went. Following that, I had to clean up and create good surface material to weld on. I used weld through primer in order to create a good corrosion resistance base. Started tack welding it into place, plug welds over the frame, butt welds along the sides. A lot of hard work, but it was well worth it. I then moved on to the rocker panel, which I had cut out because it had rust and it also gave me access to slide in the floor. Created butt welds again, along with plug welds, to finish out the job. Came out really nice and blends in very well with the remaining side panel.